Hey, what's going on, guys? The manufacturer sent me this 2-pack of silicone ice molds here for free so I can check them out and show them to you. So just to show you real quick, again, it's a 2-pack. Each individual unit, it comes with your base ice mold that you can see. They are all labeled 1 through 4 so you can see which level or layer they go in your cup. And then it also comes with a lid. So that's an empty one. I have one that I froze already right here, so I'll show you that one up close. So take that lid off, and then you can see there the rings, the ice rings, 1 through 4. So these were designed for a Stanley brand cup. I'm actually not using a Stanley brand, but I'm going to go ahead and show you this because they pretty much have a very similar type taper. So I've tried it in this cup already. I've used it, so I know it works. So I'll go ahead and show you, and then you can see also that it doesn't necessarily have to work just in Stanley. So you have the ice blocks or rings frozen. So let's go ahead and pop that one out. Number one. And number two. Three. And last one, number 4. And then I'll go ahead and give you a look inside my cup here. You can see it forms like a really, really cool ring all the way down. So your drink, whatever you have in there, will stay cold with your lid on and your Stanley or whatever brand cup you have and stay nice and cold all day. I really love this. It's a really cool product and it works super great.